make saag paneer. Saag paneer is basically Indian cream spinach. It's delicious. So the spice blend for that I have right here. You're gonna toast up some black pepper, some cumin, some allspice, a couple of cloves, and a little bit of cardamom. Then we're gonna toast that and slide it into our little spice mill. You can order these online too if you don't own one. They're super cheap and super useful. I always make my own curry blends. It's a great use up for your spice cabinet, and they just smell so amazing if you take the time to toast them and grind them fresh. There's just nothing like it. They're insane. Then we're gonna take butter or ghee. I have a jar of ghee here, clarified butter. And we're gonna melt that in our toasty skillet that's got all that flavor from toasting all those seeds. We're gonna melt some butter and brown paneer, which is a very dry, firm cheese. You get it in the regular grocery store. You cut the paneer into little bite-sized blocks, and we're gonna throw it into the skillet and brown it. We're gonna fry the cheese in some butter. Yum. And then for the spinach back here, we're cooking out some onion and garlic, of course. I added some grated ginger root, some grated garlic. And if you don't want to make the spice blend for the saag paneer, a perfect substitute, garam masala. You can buy it in any grocery store. So we're going to sprinkle in our spices, mix that in. And then we're adding the cream, which is the buttermilk. And a dollop of good full-fat yogurt. That's what makes the cream spinach creamy in this case. There's our butter-fried cheese, our paneer, waiting to get stirred in at the end. So the spinach will start to wilt down into the creamy mixture, and then we can add some more into the pan once this gets going a little bit. I like roasted garlic naan bread. You get it right in the regular grocery store. When you're making naan bread, a flat griddle is great, and I like to put a little splash of water, put the bread down, let it blister, then flip it and bathe it with ghee or melted butter. We finish this dish with a little bit of lemon juice, and then right before I serve, I like a little sesame on top of that. And then to go along with this meal, you take your griddled garlic naan, throw that on the edge of the plate, and there you go. Yum.